Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools for your needs. Today, we're taking a closer look at the FastCap Flatback Story Pull 16-foot tape measure, widely regarded as the best flatback tape measure on the market. Whether you're a professional carpenter, woodworker, or DIY enthusiast, this tape measure is a game changer, and here's why. First, let's talk about the design. Unlike traditional round tape measures, the FastCap Flatback features a flat blade. This design allows the tape to lay completely flat on surfaces, which is especially useful when measuring large panels or curved surfaces. The flat blade design ensures precision, giving you accurate measurements every time, even on less than ideal surfaces. One of the standout features is its ability to easily measure curves. The blade is flexible enough to wrap around any curve, making it perfect for custom woodworking projects, cabinetry, and anything where flexibility and accuracy are crucial. Whether you're working on a flat board or something more rounded, this tape measure handles it all with ease. Another innovative feature is its writable surface. You can actually write on the blade with a pencil, making it incredibly useful for quick notes or marking measurements directly on the tape. Once you're done, simply erase with your finger. This means you can take notes and adjust measurements on the fly without needing extra paper or markers. And, for those who often find themselves needing a sharp pencil, the tape includes a built-in pencil sharpener, keeping you ready for anything. The FastCap Flatback Story Pull also comes with a built-in notepad on the case, allowing you to jot down any additional information you may need while working. It's these small details that make this tool not only efficient but convenient. Whether you're in the workshop or out on site, this tape measure is ready to assist you in every project. At 16 feet, the length is perfect for most applications, but it's the way the tape works that really sets it apart. The blade is marked with both standard and metric measurements, so no matter what kind of work you're doing, you can easily switch between units. So, if you're tired of wrestling with your traditional tape measures that don't stay flat or struggle with curves, the FastCap Flatback Story Pull 16-foot tape measure is the answer. With its flat blade, versatility, and unique features like the writable tape and pencil sharpener, it's easy to see why this is considered the best flatback tape measure. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the tools that make your life easier.